How to download and install the Chase Bank mobile banking application online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to download and install Chase Bank is quite simple. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to the Play Store and tap on the search icon from the bottom right. Then on the search box, type in Chase Bank. Then after, tap on Chase Mobile US by JP Morgan Chase. Tap on the install button, which should automatically start the download on your device. Currently, the application is of 83.40 MB. Depending upon your internet connection and stability, the download might take time 1 to 2 minutes. Also, once the downloading is completed, it should automatically start the installation process as well. Once the installation is also completed, you can tap open the application. Next up, you will land to its homepage from where you can log in into the account and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.